Last day I taught you history, the struggle of survive, a growing middle classes in visages in and into privilege and the rise of middle classes. Now the outbreak of the revolution. Look at the page number 14. Outbreak of the revolution. The long years of war had drained the financial resources of France, so to replenish the empty treasure it was thought to increase the tax rate and the levy new taxes. With the purpose, on 5th May 1789, Louis XVI called together an assembly of the States General to pass proposal for new taxes. In France of the old regime, the monarch was not empowered to impose taxes according to his will alone. Rather, he had to call a meeting of the States General, which would then pass his proposal for new taxes. The States General was a political body to which the three states sent their representatives. A big hall in Versailles was furnished and equipped well to host the delegates. There were 300 representatives of state as they belonged to privileged class. They were seated in rows facing each other on two sides, while the 600 members of the third estate had to stand at the back. The third estate was represented by its more prosperous and educated members. Peasants, artisans, and women were denied entry to the assembly. However, their grievances and demands were listed in some 40,000 letters which the representatives had brought with them. Voting in the States General in the past had been conducted according to the principle that each state had one vote. This time to Louis XVI insisted to continue the same practice, but the members of the third estate demanded that now voting should be conducted by the assembly as a whole, where each member would have one vote. This was one of the democratic principles but followed by philosophers like Rousseau in his book The Social Contract. The king rejected this proposal, so the member of third estate walked out of the assembly in protest. Now, the representatives of third estate view themselves as spokesmen for the whole French nation. On 20 June, the member of the third estate, led by Mirabeau and Abbé Sive, assembled in the hall of an indoor tennis court in the ground of Versailles. That they declared themselves a national assembly and swore not to disperse until they had drafted a constitution for France that would limit the power of the monarch. Mirabeau, though born in noble family, was against the feudal system. He brought out a journal and delivered powerful speeches to the crowds assembled at Versailles. Abbasis, originally a priest, wrote an influential pamphlet called What is the Third Estate? While the National Assembly was busy at Versailles drafting a constitution, the rest of France was full of agitation. The sharp winter that year led to a bad harvest, so the price of bread rose. Often bakers took undue advantage of the situation and hoarded supplies. After spending hours in the long queues at the bakery but getting no bread, the crowd of angry women stormed into the shops. At the same time, the king ordered the troops to move into Paris. On 14th July, the agitated crowd stormed and destroyed the Bastille. In the countryside, rumors spread that the lords of the manor had hired bands of brigands who were on their way to destroy the ripe crops. Being too much pregnant, the peasant in several districts seized huge and pitchfork and attached chatics. They looted the hoarded grain and burned down the documents that contained the records of the monarchical dues. A large number of nobles fled from homage. Many of them migrated to the neighboring countries, being unable to face the power of his revolting subjects. Louis XVI finally accorded recognition to the National Assembly and accepted the principle that his powers would be checked by a constitution. On the night of 4th August 1789, the Assembly passed a decree abolishing the feudal system of obligation and taxes. Members of the clergy too were forced to give up their privilege. Tithe was abolished and lands owned by the church were confiscated. As a result, the government acquired the assets worth at least 2 billion livres. France became a constitutional monarchy. The National Assembly completed the draft of the Constitution in 1791. Its main objective was to limit the power of the monarch. Now power were taken from him and assigned to different democratic institutions like the legislature, executive, and judiciary. This change of power made France a constitutional monarchy. The law made by National Assembly. Under the new constitution, the law were to be made by National Assembly. The Assembly was indirectly elected, that is, active citizens voted for a group of electors who in turn choose the Assembly member. The highlights of the changed system are active citizen in order to be an Elector Declaration, natural rights as following. Active citizen. Men who were above 25 years of age and who paid taxes equal to least 3 days of labor wages were given the stage of active citizen, that is, they had right to vote. The remaining men and all the women were classed as passive citizens. In order to be an elector, to qualify as an elector and then as a member of the assembly, a man had belonged to the highest bracket of taxpayer. Declaration. The Constitution began with the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen. Natural right. According to this declaration, the right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, and equality before law were established as natural rights, freedom, and rights. It was duty of the state to protect these. Thanks. Next day.